time for 7 First Alert weather.
During the break, Carolyn and I were talking about how the sun angle is increasing, and it's noticeable during the day. Even though our temperatures aren't warming up significantly, it almost feels like it's coming to the end of winter. 40 degrees was our high today, 37 in Mountain Home. Tough day in Jerome. That temperature inversion really keeping the cool air locked in there. 27 degrees for a high temperature, and then it made it up to 37 in McCall. So you can see with those numbers almost matching for the mountains and the valleys, we do have the temperature inversion in place. But we are getting closer to average for this time of year. 43 is where we should be as we cruise the first week or two of February, and we're getting even closer yet as we make our way through this week. In fact, I think into next weekend, so a week from now, we start to even see a southwest flow aloft, which may boost our temperatures up above average for this time of year, maybe even into the upper 40s. That'd be a change. High pressure ridge still in control. So again, not a lot of changes to the 7-day forecast, but I did mention the sun angle. It's noticeable that the daylight hours are getting longer. Tomorrow, our sun comes up before 8 a.m., goes down after 6 p.m. This is a change from last week, and we have kicked off solar spring, which is the 3 months of the year where we gain the most daylight. In fact, in the next 4 weeks, we gain 1 hour and 20 minutes of daylight. That'll help with making it less likely for an inversion situation to set up for a long period of time, and it will help to also warm our temperatures up, as gaining insulation will help with that. How about March? A big winner as far as daylight goes. Almost an hour and a half of daylight to be gained through the month of March when we do officially kick off the spring season. Magic Valley forecast tomorrow, hopefully boosting those temperatures up by a degree or two on top of today. But for the most part, I'd say generally speaking, what we experience today, we will have again tomorrow, with the temperatures in the mountain locations in the mid to upper 30s. And as you get down into the valley, upper 30s, closer to 40 degrees, with partly cloudy to mostly clear skies tomorrow. So at least we get the sunshine back, even though that temperature inversion is still in place for us. And unfortunately, high pressure ridge does mean that we don't have any significant systems coming into play anytime soon. So showing that snow potential, I'm going to roll this ahead to next week as we make our way toward Valentine's Day, and we start to see these numbers get somewhere, but it takes a week to get there. That could change. We hope it does. As Carolyn mentioned, there is still more winter to go. We need the winter weather to go with it. But for now, it looks like we get sunshine and seasonable temperatures. Carolyn?
Yeah, we're crossing our fingers for more precipitation, especially in our mountains. Thank you, Bree. Always great to talk with you.